When we do visualizations, we want to be very careful about our audience. It's somewhat of an art form because you do need to know who your audience is, whether they're executives, operations, supervisory, because they're all going to be looking at the charts slightly different. So developing powerful graphs and presenting analytics requires attention to detail and the understanding of the audience. The chart should convey as much information while avoiding clutter. So, colors. Use meaningful colors and avoid too many different colors. That could be a problem. Create a nice, clear, concise legend. Make sure that there's a good legend somewhere that is clearly understood by the reader. Make sure your labels are accessed, both the X and Y, in simple but clear terms. You don't want to label them X and Y when nobody knows what X and Y are. We want to make sure that the units on the X and Y are appropriate. For example, if you have a unit on the y-axis that's 0.27, but you really want that 0.27 to be 27%, then it should be labeled as such. It should be in percentages to make it easier for the reader to understand what that y-axis is. And titles, be sure to use titles and subtitles clearly to identify the chart property. Due to the increased amount of information and analytics available, analytics departments compile many different graphs together to form these dashboards. These dashboards provide executives and managers with a broad overview of different analytics simultaneously. And this information can include something called key performance indicators, or KPIs, that you might get in a marketing or management class. They may include service levels and operational metrics. And the idea is in these dashboards, they're pulling different pieces of information from different areas to give a nice heads-up display to some executive to make some decisions. Some popular software such as Tableau and Looker and Memphi are all different types of dashboards. They do different things, but they allow the user to filter through data in these speedometer types, these network tree diagrams, just general numbers, horizontal bar charts, or a table indicator.